figured out how to play rabbits and wolves, you're going to have to record some data. I would like it if you ran through the rabbits and wolves with the regular data 10 times, and you're going to put your numbers right here. Then after you've done that, you're going to change one variable, and you're going to run it 5 times with that changed variable, change a rabbit variable. And then when you do that, reset the game again and now change a wolf variable and run through it 5 more times, this time with the new wolf variable. And you're going to try to see if your averages are going to be different after you run those. See if you've changed a rabbit variable to make them last longer or changed a wolf variable to make the rabbits and wolves last longer. So the first thing you'll need to do is put in the data.
A few moments later.
I ran it 10 times. I've got my data in there. I stopped the game as soon as the wolves died off. So here the wolves died off at 125, and my rabbits died off earlier at 95. Here the wolves died at 135, my rabbits died at 93. You notice these two have the exact same number. That is because the wolves died off, but the rabbits were still going. Remember, the game stops when the wolves die. So I put 126, that's when the wolves died, and then I also put 126 for the rabbits, even though they kept on going alive. Now, you need to find the average of these numbers. You can do it 2 ways. You can add all those up and divide by 10. Who's got time for that? So we're going to make the computer do it for us. You're going to click into the box that has the first numbers and drag across until you've got all 10 numbers highlighted. You're going to go up to the Insert menu, and you're going to insert a function. And you, of course, are going to pick the average function, which is up by the top. Notice I did not highlight the average box. I just highlighted the 10 trials. I'm going to click on the average. It's going to bring in a formula right here. I have to press return or enter. And now it's going to suggest, hey, do you want to put that same formula down here? And of course I do. So I'm going to hit the little checkbox. And now I have the averages done. This will say div0 if you don't have numbers in there. So if you've gotten no numbers, that's what it'll say. Don't worry. When you put the numbers in, it'll automatically. And if you need to change a number, oh, that was 110, not 115. Boom, it automatically re-averages it for you. And you can do the same thing for the wolf or the rabbit iteration change and the wolf variable change for those iterations. Good luck on this.